afternoon. My name is Samuel Amoya. I come from Kenya. Currently, I'm a student at Multimedia University of Kenya, undertaking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and I'm currently in my final year that will be ending in the month of April this year. So the main aim of recording this video is to say more about Sankiana Africa. So first I came across Sankiana Africa, that is last year when I joined LinkedIn. So when I was browsing through my LinkedIn profile, I found a chance to view through the profile of Sankiana Africa. Then from there I found their WhatsApp group link where I joined, and later came across the scholarship for full stack web development. That is last year November. So I applied for the scholarship. Then after applying, I succeeded and began my training in December last year. So I've been through with the scholarship training of Sankiana Africa for full stack web development. In addition to that, due to the experience and training I've found through the scholarship, I can testify that I'm now a full stack web developer. And I take this opportunity to really thank Sankiana Africa for giving me the opportunity to delve into my tech area. So another thing I could like to say is the provision of chances to others. I really thank Sankiana Africa for making a good foundation of my tech field, and I also thank them for providing us with a trainer who is always there for us, giving us the required resources for training. And may God bless Sankiana Africa as we aim higher in building technology. Thank you, Sankiana Africa. May God bless all.